Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty.
Hey guys, well, it's Monday. We are just making it out of the room. We're gonna get in the pool for a little bit, have some drinks, and then at 4:30 they're picking us up for the sunset sailing. So we're gonna show you that. The beach is looking a little better today. Maybe not, because there was bad weather yesterday. It looked better from the window, but I guess it's not. But as you can see, there's people at the pool having fun. So yeah, we'll go down there. I guess I'll fly the drone and show you around the area.
Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. See you, hearts and letters carved into the shore. We'll never grow.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We are about to get on the catamaran for the sunset sailing cruise. So it is kind of busy. We are in Puerto Aventuras, which is like between Playacar Carmen and Cancun, I think.
No, Playacar Carmen and Tulum.
And Tulum. So yeah, we're just gonna wait to get on the catamaran, and then we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's plenty of people here. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, they're collecting dock fees, so I imagine once we're done with that, we'll get going.
Okay, guys. So I guess we'll see you in a minute.
I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale, but everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
There you have it, guys. We're at the sexy group. So we're gonna sail. Actually, we're not gonna use power. And yeah, we're on our way. The breakdown show. It just started, so we're gonna record a little bit for you guys, okay? Enjoy. guys. So that was the breakdance show. It was pretty good. They're very talented. We enjoyed it, and it just so happens that the show was
2 steps.
like 2 steps away from our room. So we had a good view and we had a lot of breeze. So it was great. Tomorrow is Isla Mujeres. You guys already know Isla Mujeres. We showed you that before. But the difference is that we're gonna leave from the hotel zone. We're gonna take the ferry from the hotel zone, which is really pretty, and we're going to Isla Mujeres Palace.
We'll get a golf cart again too and drive over there.
Yeah, we'll get a golf cart. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, we'll show you Isla Mujeres Palace.
We're excited. We haven't been there before.
Yeah, and it's super quiet. It's kind of like couples kind of thing. They have a beautiful beach, and
I didn't even know they had like beach.
yeah, it's pretty. They have like a little dock and stuff. It's really nice. So we'll show you guys that tomorrow. All right.